positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and I'm just sharing with you today how I kick off into high gear a new week after a fun weekend. I look forward to learning from you below too, so please comment on any tips and tricks that you use as well. So before heading headfirst into a new week, I always want to make sure that my heart, mind, and to-do list all balance with the same goal. So here's a few things I do to help. First, I check my week schedule to make sure that it matches my why. Is my schedule taking me closer to my goals or further from reaching my goals? Second, does my schedule make a difference in the life of someone around me? Third, if I'm going to work hard, play hard, then by golly, I had better be focused when I'm working so that I can fully enjoy that time off, playing with friends or just enjoying relaxation or time with family. And fourth, does my schedule allow time for me to be 100% present with those around me who matter most? Here's to another great week of making a difference in those around us and living a passionate life.